Hello everyone, welcome to you all. Today we are going to learn addition with regrouping using the standard algorithm. In this video, we will learn how to add two-digit numbers by using a place value mat to clearly understand the tens and ones. Understand how to regroup ones into tens and finally solve the standard algorithm. This is perfect for beginners who are just beginning to understand carrying and place value. Let's begin by looking at our place value mat. It has two columns, one for tens and one for ones. Now we are going to add 28 and 35. Let's place each number correctly on the mat. Here 28 has 2 tens and 8 ones, and 35 has 3 tens and 5 ones. Next, let's start adding from the ones place. That is 8 ones plus 5 ones is equal to 13 ones. Now 13 ones means we have 10 ones plus 3 ones left over, or you can say 1 10 and 3 ones left over. So we will regroup this 10 ones and move them to the tens column. Next, add tens. We already had 2 tens and 3 tens here. So we have 2 plus 3 plus 1 tens. Now we have 6 tens and 3 ones. So our final answer is 63. In the next upcoming video, we will see how to subtract using standard algorithms. Thank you for watching. Like and share the video, subscribe the channel for many more such upcoming videos. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Link is given in the description. Thanks a lot.